Good morning, students. This is textbook page number 159. In previous class, you have learned about divisions. Okay. Now, this is mixed bag problems. Okay. Look at first bit. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. A question. In division, the remainder should always be. In division, the remainder should always be greater than divisor, less than divisor, greater than quotient, less than quotient. This is division. Here we'll write dividend, divisor, quotient, and after here this is remainder. This remainder should be always less than the divisor, less than the divisor. So B is the answer. Okay. Second one. Now look at second question, B question. If the dividend and divisor are equal to 4, what is the quotient? Look, 4 divided by 4. Then what will be the answer? Yes, 4 ones are 4. So 1 will be the answer. Okay. If 32 sweets are equally divided among 10 children, how many sweets are left over? Divide 32 divided by 10. 10 3s are 30. 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. So we got remainder 2. 2 sweets will be left over. Okay. Now look at D question. Which of these number facts does not belong to the same group? Which of these number fact does not belong to the same group? 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. 32 divided by 8 equal to 4. 32 divided by 4 equal to 8. Here 8 divided by 4 equal to 2 given. This is not belongs to these groups. Okay. Now look at second bit. Here divisions given. Do these divisions as homework. Okay. Do these divisions as homework. Now look here, third bit, applying division. Look at A question. On sports day, 88 students are equally divided into groups for 8 different events. How many students participate in each event? On sports day, 88 students are equally divided into groups for 8 different events. 8 different events. So we have to do 88 divided by 8. Okay. Look here. Third bit A answer. Third bit A answer. First we will write total number of students. Total number of students. There are total 88 students are there. Okay. Number of groups. Number of groups. 8 groups are there. Okay. Number of groups. How many groups are there? 8 groups. Number of, what we have to find is number of students participate in each event. Here groups is nothing but events. Okay. Number of students participate in each event. Simply we will divide these two. 88 divided by 8. Look here, I will do division here. 88 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Now we will take this number here. Again 8 ones are 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Means 11 students will participate in each group, in each event. Okay. 11 students participate in each event. Okay. This is third bit A answer. Now look at B question. 112 students are going to the National Museum on buses. Total 112 students are going to the National Museum on buses. There are 4 buses. 4 buses are there, each carrying an equal number of students. In each bus, an equal number of students are there. How many students are there in each bus? Now look at B answer. First we will write total number of students going to the, where they are going? National Museum. Okay, National Museum by buses. Okay, total 112 students are there. Okay, first we will write number of buses. How many buses are there? 4. Okay, next, number of students in each bus. Go in each bus. That is 112 divided by 4. Okay, we'll do division here. 112, 4. 4 2s are 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. And we'll write this 2 here. 4 8s are 32. 32 minus 32 is 0. So answer 28. Therefore, 28 students are there in each bus. Okay, this is B answer. Now look at C question. C question. The distance from Delhi to Meerut is 84 kilometers. Manish is a long distance runner. He jogs from Delhi to Meerut covering 7 kilometers in 1 hour. How long does he take to reach Meerut? Okay, total distance. How much distance is there from Delhi to Meerut? 84 kilometers. First we will write, this is C solution. First we will write distance from Delhi to Meerut. How much? Yes, 84 kilometers. Okay, next, distance covered in 1 hour. Distance covered in 1 hour. 7 kilometers. Okay, now we'll write time taken to reach. 84 divided by 7. 84 divided by 7. So we'll do division here. 84 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. And this 4 will be written here. 7 2s are 14. 14 minus 14 is 0. So what answer we got? 12. Therefore, time taken to cover 84 kilometers is 12 hours. Okay, this is C answer. Now look at D question. A teacher cuts a cake into 48 pieces and gives 2 pieces to each child in the class. A teacher cuts a cake into 48 pieces and gives 2 pieces to each child. Okay, no piece is left over. How many children are there in the class? Now look at D answer. D solution. Okay, first, total number of pieces cut by teacher. Total number of pieces. Total how many are there? 48. Okay, number of pieces given to each child. Given to each child. Each child means one child. 2 pieces. Okay, next, number of children. Total number of children. Simply we will divide these two. 48 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0 and this 8 will be written here. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. So there are 24 children in the class. 24 children are in the class. Okay, this is D answer. Now look at E question. The product of two numbers is 126 if one number is 3. The product of two numbers is 126 if one number is 3. Find the other number. Okay, the product of two numbers, product means multiplication. Product of two numbers is 126. In that one number is 3. Then what is another number? Now look at E answer. Okay, first we'll write product of two numbers. Product of two numbers is 126. In that one number given, one number is 3. To find other number, we will divide these two. Okay, 126 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 12 is 0 and 6 will be written here. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So 42 is the answer. The other number is 42. Okay. Now look at F question. A bus travels the same distance every day and covers 847 kilometers in a week. How much distance does it cover every day? A bus travels the same distance every day. Travels the same distance every day and covers 847 kilometers in a week. How many days are there in week? 7 days. Okay, we have to divide this number by 7. Okay, now look at F answer. F solution. Okay, F answer. First we will write total distance covered by bus. Total distance 847 kilometers. Okay, now number of days in a week. Number of days in a week. There are 7 days. How many days are there? 7 days. Distance covered by bus every day, that is 847 divided by 7. Okay, I will do division here. 7 ones are 7. 8 minus 7 is 1 and this 4 will be written here. 7 2s are 14. 14 minus 14 is 0. Now we will write this 7 here. Okay, 7 ones are 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. What answer we got? 121. Therefore, bus covers 121 kilometers per day. Okay, this is F answer. Now look at G question. Jill distributed 49 chocolates equally among 6 friends. 49 chocolates equally among 6 friends. How many chocolates did each friend get? How many were left over? Okay, look at G answer. G answer. Total number of chocolates. First we will write total number of chocolates. How many chocolates are there? 49. 49. He divided 49 chocolates among 6 friends. So we'll write first number of friends. 6 friends are there. Okay. Number of chocolates. Number of chocolates each friend get. Divide these two, we'll get the answer. Okay. 49 divided by 6. 6 8s are 48. One chocolate is left. So therefore 8 chocolates get each friend. Next, one chocolate, number of chocolates remain. We'll write like number of chocolates remained equal to 1. Okay, this is G answer. Now look at H question. 154 apples are packed equally in 9 boxes. Find the number of apples in each box and number of apples left over. Okay, look at H solution. First, total apples, total number of apples 154. Number of boxes, total 9 boxes are there. Total 9 boxes are there. We have to find number of apples in each box. Number of apples in each box. Simply we will divide these two. 154 divided by 9. Okay, we will do division here. 154 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9. 15 minus 9 is 6 and this 4 will be written here. Okay, 9 sevens are 63. 4 minus 3 is 1. 6 minus 6 is 0. 1 left. So therefore 17 apples in each box. The packet 17 apples in each box and 1 apple will be left. 1 apple is left. Okay, this is H answer. Remaining problems I will teach in next class. Okay, and complete your notes up to here. And today's homework is complete this second bit. Complete this second bit. Okay, do these divisions in your fair notes. Write neatly. Okay, thank you.